Islamic miracles, scientific and historical miracles in the Quran. Welcome to Informative Channel. In this documentary, we'll delve deep into some of the remarkable miracles present in the Quran, focusing on both scientific and historical elements. The Quran, revealed over 1400 years ago, continues to astonish readers with its profound insights into various aspects of life, nature, and history. Despite being a religious text, many verses align closely with modern scientific discoveries and historical accounts that were unknown at the time of its revelation. Let's begin by exploring the Quran's revelations in two major areas. Scientific miracles, predictions or descriptions of natural phenomena later confirmed by science. Historical miracles, accurate accounts of events that have been verified by historical evidence. The creation of the universe. The Quran discusses the creation of the universe in several verses, many of which align with modern cosmological theories. One of the most compelling examples is the Big Bang theory. Quran verse: "Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them and made from water every living thing? Then will they not believe?" Quran 21:30. Explanation: this verse describes the creation of the universe as a unified entity that was later split apart. Modern science refers to the Big Bang as the event that caused the universe to expand from an initial singularity. The Quran's description of the heavens and earth being one and then separated strongly correlates with this theory, offering a glimpse of a profound truth that was only recently discovered. Further on, the mention of water being the source of life is strikingly accurate, as modern biology confirms that water is essential for all known forms of life. The expansion of the universe. Another key scientific miracle in the Quran is the reference to the universe's expansion. Quran verse: "And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed, we are its expander." Quran 51:47. Explanation: this statement aligns with the discovery of the expanding universe. In 1929, astronomer Edwin Hubble observed that galaxies are moving away from each other, implying that the universe is expanding. The Quran mentions this phenomenon long before the advent of modern astronomy, a detail that continues to amaze scientists and scholars alike. The development of the human embryo. One of the most frequently cited scientific miracles of the Quran is its description of human embryonic development. Quran verse: "We created man from a drop of fluid, then a clot, then a lump, then bones, and then clothed the bones with flesh." Quran 23:14. Explanation: this verse provides an accurate description of the stages of embryonic development, from conception to the formation of bones and flesh. In the 7th century, knowledge of embryology was primitive, yet the Quran provides a detailed, sequential account that matches modern medical understanding. Today, embryologists confirm that the embryo develops in stages, just as described in the Quran. Dr. Keith Moore, a prominent embryologist, has praised the accuracy of these descriptions, acknowledging that such knowledge could not have been known without divine intervention. The mountains as pegs. The Quran often uses metaphors to explain complex phenomena. One such metaphor relates to the role of mountains in stabilizing the earth. Quran verse: "Have we not made the earth a resting place, and the mountains as pegs?" Quran 78:6-7. Explanation: geologists now understand that mountains play a critical role in stabilizing the Earth's crust. The concept of pegs mirrors the geological function of mountains, as they have deep roots that extend beneath the Earth's surface, anchoring the crust and preventing excessive movement of tectonic plates. This description, revealed centuries before the advent of plate tectonics, showcases the Quran's prescient understanding of Earth's geological features. The historical miracle of Pharaoh's body. One of the most extraordinary historical miracles of the Quran is its mention of Pharaoh's body being preserved as a sign for future generations. Quran verse: "So today we will save you in body that you may be to those who succeed you a sign. And indeed, many among the people of our signs are heedless." Quran 10:92. Explanation: this verse refers to the Pharaoh who pursued Moses, Musa, and the Israelites before drowning in the Red Sea. The Quran claims that his body would be preserved as a lesson for future generations. Astonishingly, the mummified remains of Pharaoh Ramses II, believed to be the ruler during Moses' time, were discovered in the 19th century. The preservation of his body, despite drowning, has baffled scientists and historians, making this a significant historical miracle mentioned in the Quran. Iron sent down to earth. The Quran also makes a unique claim about the origin of iron, an element that is critical to human civilization. Quran verse, "And we sent down iron, wherein is great military might and benefits for the people." Quran 57:25. Explanation. Iron is one of the most abundant elements on Earth, but modern astrophysics confirms that iron is not native to our planet. Instead, iron is thought to have come from supernova explosions in distant stars, eventually reaching Earth through meteorites. The Quran's use of the phrase, "sent down," is remarkably accurate, reflecting scientific understanding that iron arrived on Earth from outer space. The historical account of the Romans. The Quran also contains prophecies that have come true. One such instance is the prediction about the Roman Empire. Quran verse, "The Romans have been defeated in the nearest land. But after the defeat, they will overcome. Within a few years, to Allah belongs the command before and after. And that day the believers will rejoice." Quran 30:2-4. Explanation. At the time of this revelation, the Roman Empire had suffered a crushing defeat at the hands of the Persians. However, the Quran predicted that the Romans would make a comeback within a few years. This prophecy was fulfilled when the Romans decisively defeated the Persians 7 years later, astonishing contemporaries who had deemed such a recovery impossible. The barrier between saltwater and freshwater. Another scientific phenomenon described in the Quran is the separation of saltwater and freshwater bodies. Quran verse, "And it is he who has released, simultaneously, the two seas, one fresh and sweet and one salty and bitter, and he placed between them a barrier and prohibiting partition." Quran 25:53. Explanation. Modern oceanography has confirmed that when freshwater rivers meet saltwater seas, a separation or boundary is formed due to differences in salinity. This prevents the waters from mixing completely, which is known as the halocline phenomenon. This verse is a strikingly accurate description of this process, which was unknown during the time of the Quran's revelation. Conclusion is, the Quran's scientific and historical miracles serve as a powerful reminder of its divine origin. These verses, revealed more than 1400 years ago, contain knowledge that only modern science and historical research have been able to confirm. Whether discussing the origins of the universe, the intricacies of embryology, or ancient historical events, the Quran continues to provide insight that is as relevant today as it was at the time of its revelation. Thank you for watching this documentary on Islamic miracles. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Informative Channel for more in-depth explorations of history, science, and faiths.